Hey everybody, I mentioned at the beginning of this project that we were very honored to be part of doing the Amana Training Center, and let me share with you why. This manufacturer actually had everybody in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, Washington DC that they distribute equipment for, and could have chosen any company. So not only were we honored to be the manufacturer's company of choice, but also they didn't even ask us a price. They're just like, look, we know you guys do tremendously good work. We know you all treat us fair. Just take care of the project for us. So that was just a tremendous honor. So my point in sharing that with you is if the manufacturer gives us that level of trust, we hope that you and your family will as well. So what I wanted to do is kind of go over with you what we've done here. We've done 5 out of 6 systems so far. We're still waiting for one of them to come in. The first one we have here is a 20 SEER inverter. So top of the line as far as efficiency, super quiet, amazing. This system here is a 2-stage 17 SEER heat pump with it's dual fuel. So actually you have the heat pump, and then when needed on the super cold days in the wintertime, it has natural gas, which can also be propane depending on the area you're in, what's available. But the gas furnace can come in and back it up. So the guys did beautiful work, and just the craftsmanship with a nice 90-degree turns with the line sets, all the runs. I mean, just a lot of little things that people don't realize what goes into doing a good quality job. But we take pride in that, and all of our installers had a hand in this, and everybody did tremendous work. This is another dual fuel system, and this one's actually running. So I'll stand here next to the unit. This is called the Amana S. So as you can tell, you can hear my voice, but you can't even hear the unit running. These things are super quiet, and these actually can go as little as 4 inches off the wall. So we could have actually moved this thing, back a lot farther, but because this is a training center, we wanted to give plenty of room around it. So as companies are coming here, getting their technicians trained on how to, work on these, they'll have plenty of room to service it and learn from, the manufacturer's trainer. But again, this one, the inverter heat pump, 16 SEER, but that's when it's running at full speed. When it's running at a lower capacity, it's actually much more efficient than that. And this one also has the natural gas backup, if and when needed. And again, the same thing, a lot of safeties tied in, beautiful craftsmanship in terms of quality of work. We've got static pressure ports, which is a manufacturer's requirement. To my knowledge, around here, we're about the only company around that I know that does static pressure testing. But again, it's a manufacturer's requirement, and the guys did an awesome job of doing all the commissioning, getting that ready. This system here is really cool. This is actually the first R32 unit in the state of Maryland. We actually put it in, started it up the very first day it was legal to start up R32 in the state of Maryland. So it's an honor to be the first one to do that. But these things are amazing. They've been used over in Europe for several years, but in the United States, they've just started being used this year, and Maryland again just now came into existence. This is the multi-zone Daikin unit. And we actually have 3 indoor units tied to this. We have a wall mount unit, a floor mount unit, and then up here, this is called a concealed mount, where this can actually go up in your attic, and it's a ducted unit. So you get the benefits of the inverter technology. So maybe part of your house, you have like an upstairs, it just needs a couple of vents that can go in the attic, but perhaps like downstairs, you don't really have, maybe you got a real tight crawl space or something like that, and you can put a wall mount or a floor mount. So this unit can actually operate all the different ones just off one unit. And this thing, without resistance heat tied in, you can actually have 100% heating capacity all the way down to 5 degrees outside. So that's tremendous. And the other unit that we're currently waiting on is called Sky Air. We have the outdoor unit, we're just waiting on the indoor unit to show. Very similar to the Daikin multi-zone we were just talking about, although this one can actually give you 100% heat down to -4 degrees. And they can actually tie in with a conventional air handler. It can do zoning where you can have multiple thermostats around your house and zoning kits tied to it. So it's got some extra control features and can go down with 100% heat, even a little bit lower than the Daikin MXS unit. So anyway, the guys just did tremendous work here. Very proud of each person that had a hand in this. And again, we're just super honored that the manufacturer trusted us enough that of all the companies they could have chosen, they chose us. So again, we hope that means something to you and your family, because it certainly does to us. So thank you very much, and we look forward to doing business with you and your family and serving you in any way we can. Thank you so much.